Hello everyone. Today I have pleasure to share with you 5-star Sheraton Hotel and Spa in Nha Trang. It is at Tran Phu Street and at a prime location overlooking the ocean. Very beautiful day and night, and no wonder TripAdvisor awarded it 2023 Traveler's Choice. You can see this in night light overlooking the ocean. The other side is a wind burn, and please enjoy the show. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. So when you enter, this is the main entrance, and you can see a lot of seagull crystal over the ceiling. Beautiful. And Sheraton have a beach place for the resident, and the infinity pool for adults and another one for children. And this is on the rooftop altitude restaurant. You can enjoy on the cocktail and the spectacular view from above. This is I told you about. This is the swimming pool for adults, and this is the swimming pool for children. The children pool is about 4 feet tall, and I chose to go that one because I don't feel afraid of anything, and all of them are infinity. It just like blend in with the ocean below. This is rooftop place, and this is club VIP lounge, and this is the restaurant where you can eat breakfast, and this is the restaurant more. You can enjoy the breakfast here with this beautiful and delicious sweet, and you can have a seafood or meat buffet. Beside that, they have a shy spa. You can go there for your scalp revival and massage. This is the decor inside the hotel. They can do the decor just like in the countryside, and believe it or not, they have a garden full of plants. Amazing. And this is kids place. They can play many games here and another room for it. So amazing. And behind the kid clubs are cooking school. You can register for classes, and I brought you here for my room. This is VIP room. This is the window that I overlooking the wind pond, the Tree Island. This is my living room. This is my workspace, with big TV, and this is mini bar and the fridge underneath. This is my closet with the security box, and this is my restroom, and you can see I can chill out here, sitting in here and overlooking the water, ocean, or outside. And this is my balcony overlooking the ocean. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.